Welcome to this Clayverest tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to initialize a roadmap from your project WBS. A project usually starts with a work breakdown structure, or WBS, which defines the structure of your project. Once you have created your WBS, you can use it as the foundation for your project schedule and start adding tasks and milestones. Let's get started. Open your project by double-clicking it, or by clicking the icon next to its name. Create a new roadmap view by clicking the plus button. A draft view is created. Now let's initialize it with your WBS. Open the import page and go to the Structure tab. From the available data on the left, select your project's official WBS, whether it was created manually or imported. Once selected, it appears in the Selected Data panel on the right. Then click the arrow next to Update View and select Reset with Data. That's it! Your WBS is now displayed as groups of different ranks on the left-hand side of the roadmap. You can now start building your schedule by right-clicking to create tasks and milestones. Don't forget to save your roadmap once you're done. To learn how to reschedule, style and customize your roadmap, explore our other tutorial videos. Ready to try it yourself? Go for it!